Hello everyone, I'm Mona. Learn Chinese with Mona. Today we study the profession. Okay, first one, follow me read. What is your job? 你是什么工作？你是什么工作？ What kind of job do you like? 你喜欢什么工作？你喜欢什么工作？ Okay, first one. Teacher, 老师，老师。Doctor, 医生，医生。Lawyer, 律师，律师。Driver, 司机，司机。Businessman, 商人，商人。Chef, 厨师，厨师。Engineer, 工程师，工程师。Actor, 演员，演员。